A very good day to our lecturer in Hafiz. Our group will be presenting on our assignment. I am Yuga Bharati Sivaraja here from 3 BTMM Section 1. The very first step is to develop a baseline energy consumption for past 6 months. Therefore, our group members obtain the current bill for 6 months from my DNB portal. Moving on to the next, we see the set energy and cost saving target for energy consumption. First, we see the time dependent analysis. Now we could see a bar chart on the energy consumption in kilowatt hour unit versus months. We have made calculations on time dependent analysis and they are as follows. First, the total energy consumption is 3,662 kilowatt hour. Next, maximum energy consumption is 676 kilowatt hour. The minimum energy consumption is 13 kilowatt hour. And finally, the average energy consumption calculated is 610.33 kilowatt hour. Well, that is all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Hasib Asman from Bmcg Section 1. So now I'll continue the presentation, and my part is Building Energy Index and Energy Efficiency Index for the calculation. And so as we can see, the BI formula is total energy consumption in the house per house area, which is our group calculate from the July, August, September, October, November, December for the 6 months, and the house area is 303. And for the total of the 6 months of energy consumption is 3,662 kilowatt per hour per 303 meters square, and we got the answer for the BEI is 12.09 kilowatt per hour per meter square per half year, because we just calculate for the 6 months only. Next is the calculation about the energy efficiency index EEI. So as we can see, the formula is EEI equals to monthly consumption number per number of household. So from our project, the number of household is 5, and we can see for the July is EEI for the July is 126.8, for August 119.4, September EEI is 134, October 102.6, November 135.2, and December 114.4. So that's it for my part, and I will pass to the next presenter. Thank you.
Hello Doctor, I'm Anoshni here. I'm going to identify and measure the energy consumption of each electrical appliance in my home. Firstly, for the fridge, they give rate input 100 watts and the defrosting input 130 watts. I total up the watts, which is 230 times with 24 hours and divide by 1000 to convert watts to kilowatt hour. The answer is 5.52 kilowatt hour per day, and then I times with 30 days. So the energy consumption for the fridge is 165.6 kilowatt hour per month. So the energy consumption for the television is, the power of the television is 87 watts. 87 watts times with 8 hours and divide by 1000, we get 0.696 kilowatt hour per day, and I times with 30 days. So the energy consumption for the television is 20.88 kilowatt hour per month. For the automatic rice cooker power is 600 watts. So 600 watts times with 2 hours and divide by 1000, we get 1.2 kilowatt hour per day, and times with 30 days, the energy consumption for the rice cooker is 36 kilowatt hour per month. The energy consumption for the table fan is, they give power 50 watts. So 50 watts times with 8 hour divided by 1000, we get 0.4 kilowatt hour per day, and times with 30 days, the energy consumption for the table fan is 12 kilowatt hour per month. Finally, for the hair conditioner, they already given the kilowatt. So 1.33 times with 8 hour, we get 10.64 kilowatt hour per day, and times with 30 days, we get the energy consumption of aircon per month.
Hi, my name is Nur Izzati binti Abdullah. I will continue the presentation about develop the load apportionment. In this, I will calculate the percentage of each equipment by using the formula equipment kilowatt per hour divided by total energy consumption multiplied by 100. So, by doing the calculation, we can see that television supply 3.80%, aircon 57.61%, electric fan 2.17%, rice cooker 6.52%, and the last is fridge 29.89%. So, based on the pie chart, we can see that fridge and aircon supply the high energy between the 6 months. So that's all from me. Thank you. I will pass to my friend.
My name is Amira Syuhada binti Muhammad Nazri, so I will continue my part, which is purpose, energy and cost saving measure in the house. The first equipment is air conditioner. Temperature adjustment should not be set too low. Clean the filter regularly. Frequency switch off air conditioner. Choose inverter air conditioner. Next is refrigerator. Set the right temperature at 2 or 3 degrees Celsius. Freezer temperature is 18 degrees Celsius. Don't put hot food straight in. Keep up with maintenance. Make sure the seal on the door are working properly. Pick, grab and close. Next is rice cooker. Choose the appropriate size of rice cooker. Unplug it after finishing cooking. Next is television. Set the backlight to normal or low. Turn on the sleeping mode. Adjust the contrast. Turn it off if each uses a smartphone. And lastly is a table fan. Open the window and get the natural air. Run the fan at minimum RPM. Buy Cooper Wood table fan. And lastly is use low speed table fan. So that's all for me. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Minoshni, and I'm going to explain the financial analysis and implementation plan. From the load apportionment method, we found that refrigerator and air conditioner consume high percentage of energy consumption. So, we imply some method for the both equipment to reduce the energy consumption and lower the electric bill. Finally, we decided to reduce the energy consumption for the air conditioner with doing the maintenance and fix the solar power for the air conditioner, because it is lower investment with a shorter payback period compared to the refrigerator energy conservative measure. Thank you.